we will be discussing how to complete the Form I-9. Once an employee has completed and submitted their new hire data, the manager dedicated as the I-9 approver will receive an email. But all manager logins with I-9 approval permission will see a checkmark notification at the top right of the manager portal, as you can see here. This will normally appear within half an hour of completion. Once it appears, be sure to click on it. Select the pending item from the Approvals Pending box. A pop-up will appear. Then, grab the item to have it assigned to you for processing. This will move the item to the top box. You can now select the pending item that is assigned to you for completion. A I-9 Section 2 box will appear, prompting you to review the data processed by the employee for accuracy. You can approve the page by clicking Next, or deny it and have it returned to the employee for corrections. You are also able to download it by clicking Download. Section 2 will prompt you to indicate the document type provided and all required fields for that document. It will also automatically identify if the document is a List A or List B and if additional forms are required. For example, for List A, they would only have to require one document, but for List B, they would have to provide 2 documents. Once this information is entered, click Next. For this section, you may leave this field blank if employee circumstances do not require additional notations. If they do not, click Next. Once complete, you will be prompted to digitally sign Section 2 and review for accuracy. Once this information is entered, click Next. Once reviewed, click Submit to finalize the Form I-9 in the onboarding process. Select Yes. From here, you are able to download and print the document to have for your files. Once you have done this, click Done. You have now completed the onboarding process.